it's Angela, and for today's video I am going to be retouching up my roots, which are in dire need, and then I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple with Enrage. So if you guys want to see what that looks like, and I may actually be giving myself a haircut afterwards so I can have a whole complete new look for the new school year. Oh yeah, that's from another video. You guys probably already saw that one on my channel. If you did, I'll leave a link right here. Actually, no, it's over here. Alright, so if you want to see the process of me turning my hair pink, I'm sorry, not pink, purple, we've already done pink, then keep on watching. Also, I'm going to be toning it with the T18 white toner, the one that turns it like white, to optimize the purple color in this. And I'm also going to be using the same toner on his head for that video so that we can optimize his hair color. So make sure that you tune into that video so that you can see how that turns out. Alright, I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I'm going to start in the back. It's so thrilling, right? Because you guys can never see the back. So basically I'm just going to show you how I part my hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do it off camera. One, because you've seen this before. Two, because it's very time consuming and my battery doesn't like to charge properly, so I don't want to waste the battery life. I'd rather come back and film the dyeing portion and the results portion. So I'm basically just taking my hair and parting it into 3 sections right now. I'm doing the top, then I'm going to do another section across the back.
Would you like me to help you with your back?
Yeah, and then I'm going to do the bottom. So I have 3 sections because I have so much hair. And I apologize, I have allergies. My nose is very runny right now. So I'm sniffling. Whoops, there goes that clip. Sniffling a lot. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I have my hair parted right now. So I have the top clip with the top section, then this section, and then I'm going to start back here, work my way up the back, and then do the top. So, I don't know how much bleach I have left, but we're going to work with what I have. So I have some bleach already mixed up from what that I just finished using on him. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my roots. Michaela's going to help me do the back of my hair, and then I can take care of the front and the sides myself. Oh, thank you, Kylie.
Oh my!
Such a good helper, Mommy.
Where are you finding?
We are all getting ready for back to school, and this is part of my getting ready for back to school, so. Alright, so I'm just going to take some of this, and I'm literally just trying to get it on the sections of my hair that are dark. I'm not trying to get it on the bleach section. Can you move this chunk out of the way?
Just hold it.
And I'm not trying to get a bunch of it on my scalp. Okay, so this is basically what I'm going to do to all my hair. It's very time consuming and almost annoying, but the end result is always worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up, and then I will be back with you guys once all the bleach has been applied to my scalp. Alright guys, so I have the bleach all in my roots. It is processing, and it will probably be on for another 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to go wash out, and then we will get to toning. So we'll see you in about 15 minutes, or for you guys, in about a second. Alright, so I have my roots done. Now I am going to tone. I have mixed up my Wella T18 toner. So let's go ahead and start with the parts that have the most orange in them, which is my part right here. Oh, I forgot to put on a glove. Here we go. What, Kylie? Oh, that's okay. Then I got them for you.
But why?
It's okay, honey. Most of my hair is at about a level 9/10. So it is light enough to go ahead and just dye. I'm just mainly focused on toning my roots because they come out very orange. What, Kylie?
You need the fan.
No, I don't need the fan right now, honey. Okay guys, so my hair is ready to be dyed purple. It has actually been about a week since I did my roots. I just ran out of time, so I figured I'd just leave it and record it later on. So I have my dye shirt on, and we are ready to get started. I think I might incorporate a little bit of purple throughout the middle, not purple, pink in the middle, just as a peekaboo color. So I still have that concoction right there. It was in a Ziploc bag, so it's still good. And I want the colors to be a little bit more on the medium tone. I don't want them really dark or bright. So I am going to be using a lot of conditioner, and this is the Tropical Coconut Suave conditioner. Just, you know, cheapy conditioner. I have some clips. I do have some hair ties. I have some gloves, because the goal is not to turn myself purple or pink. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is section off my hair. I've already combed it. You know, for as many times as I've bleached my hair, I don't think it's doing terrible, but I do need a trim. So I will be doing another video after this one where I am once again cutting my hair, but I'm doing a totally different haircut style, so stay tuned for that. Just the underneath hair is pretty fried, because sometimes when you do your roots in the back you can't see as well, so the bleach tends to get on more of the hair shaft that's already been bleached. So you can see how this textured hair is pretty, you know, rough and fried, but then, you know, the rest of it looks good. So definitely do for a trim. Okay, so the game plan is to start at the back, and I'm going to do the bottom hair, then throughout the middle on the back side of my hair I'm going to do pink all the way across, and then purple on top again. That way the pink kind of like shows through. Hopefully it looks good. It looked good on Michaela, so we'll see. Alright, before I part my hair, let's go ahead and mix our color. Alright, now that this is all mixed in, ready to go, let's go ahead and, oops, I got a little purple in that, that's okay. Let's go ahead and separate my hair. So I'm going to use, I think I'll keep the pink just in the back. I'm not going to put it on the sides. I think that'll look weird just having pink right here when I put it in a ponytail. So I'm going to separate it this way, going up. So this whole top section is going to be purple. Did I get enough of the crown in the back? Oh, let me redo it, like a little bit further back. There we go. That's a better chunk. Okay, so this whole section here will be purple. I have some of the top of the back of the head, so it won't be like a big purple chunk, pink chunk in the back, because that'll look really weird. Okay. If you guys could see all the hair that's falling off my head right now, I shed so bad. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, my battery's about to die. Are you kidding me? Okay, got my camera plugged in. We should be good to go. I went ahead and separated my hair. That is what the sections look like on the back. So this section here will be the pink, purple, and then purple down here. So let's see what happens. I need my mirror at the right angle so I can work. Okay. So I'm just going to start down here with the purple. Alright, so we're going to do small sections at a time. I'm going to start with the purple. So here is, I'm just working the color through. Make sure it's completely saturated. And now we grab the next section. And we do it again. I am trying to work a lot neater than I used to, because I don't like cleaning up the mess afterwards, or having like purple parts to my body for days. So I have been learning how to work a little bit neater. I will see you guys when I get to the pink. I'm just experimenting, guys. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not, so I know if you're a hairdresser and you're watching this, cringe, I'm aware. but like, okay, I want to bring up a point. Everybody always says on these videos, you should have just gone to a professional. It would have been so much cheaper. You would have saved yourself a ton of money, blah, blah, blah. Not the case. Because, and I'll explain why. When I started changing my hair color, the process was definitely a learning process. And yes, I have probably spent close to $300 on hair products, hair care products, dyes, bleaches over the course of the last 6 months that I've been changing my hair color. However, to go to a hair salon here where I live, the cost would be approximately between $150 to $300 to get your hair bleached, just to get your whole head done. And to get it as light as I have it right now, they would probably say you need 3 sessions. So let's multiply that by 3. You're already at $450 at the lowest, right? So then they charge you anywhere between between $50 to $75 or $80 to do your touch-ups every 6 weeks or so. So that right there is an added expense that just keeps racking up and up and up and up, where if you learn to do it yourself and do it properly and learn to care for your hair, in the end you're saving money. Because the bleach, if I were to buy, in fact I have to, if I were to buy bleach, toner, bleach powder, toner, and what's the
Developer.
Thank you, developer. It wouldn't come to me. If I would go to the store and buy that right now, I would spend under $40. And it's a one-time investment to buy the bowls and the brushes and all that. But like, that would be a one-time investment. The paper fell off, didn't it?
Yep, nothing got on the floor.
All right, don't worry about it. It's all right.
Okay.
Just take off the ones all over my head. I don't care. It's fine. I tried. It's not working. So once you make the initial investment of $100 and something, $300, then you're only spending maybe $45 every 2-3 months, because you, or no, every like maybe 3 times a year, because you don't have to buy the stuff every time. If you buy the big sizes, you don't have to buy it every time you go to touch up. You already have it. So it is my theory that in the long run, I'm actually saving money by learning to do this stuff myself versus going to a salon every 6 weeks or so. So, because that would be $80 a pop every 6 weeks. On the low end, $50 a pop. So, and when you go on the low end, you just don't know what kind of results you're gonna get. Because I have seen bleach jobs done at a salon that have been terrible. Okay, a little bit of purple's mixing in with this by accident. I picked up some purple hair because the paper fell off, but that's okay. Not really worried about it.
It's not gonna make a difference.
Nope. One, it's hair that's inside, in my hand. So if I wear it up or if I wear it down, you don't really see it. And 2, it's gonna look cool regardless. So. Okay, so now we switch our gloves again and go back to the purple for the top. Let's see how we're gonna do this. My bun is so pretty and perfect. I don't want to take it off. I gotta let my hands dry. They're sweaty and they won't go in the gloves. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes, I have a cape. No, I don't feel like using it. FYI. For those of you who've watched my previous videos. I used it for Michaela. Just don't feel like wearing it. It's too hot. The cape. No, just in case they're wondering why I'm not using my cape.
Oh.
Like, yes, I still have a cape. No, I don't feel like using it. It's too hot. I've been running really hot lately. I've been having hot flashes, and I'm like, I'm not even 40 yet. But whatever. It is life. Let's change the angle on my mirror so I can have access to my bun.
They're slightly pink. Not that bad.
Wonder if I should do a little chunk in the front pink. Nah.
Nah, you're just gonna leave it.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do one side then the other.
I'm not seeing any more sections in the back, so.
Okay. Yep.
We good?
I made excessive amounts of dye, apparently, but that's okay. Let's just go ahead and do the roots on my part first. I have little blind baby hairs right here. They will stick out like a sore thumb if I don't get the dye on them.
Especially when you bleached your hair when you hit
Uh-huh.
the bleach.
Oh yeah, when I bleach my roots and I miss those, oh my gosh.
Drives you insane.
Alright guys, I'm gonna come back to you once I'm done with the purple. And we'll see what happens, see if this turns out. Okay, so I have the top in purple, and then there's a band of pink, and then there's purple underneath. So I'm gonna let this sit in my head for about, what time is it? Can you check time? Even with gloves, my hands are a mess. Not too bad. So. 10 what?
10:37.
10:37. So I'll probably leave this home for about an hour, and then I'll go rinse out, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm all done. So we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, you can see the color took very well. A little pink peekaboo right there. But we're gonna go ahead and blow dry. Hi, sweetie. I'm recording a video.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Computer again?
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and see what the final result looks like. So, fingers crossed. Okay guys, I blow dried my hair, brushed it out, and here is the final result. I'm really liking it. I do have some tones that are darker and some tones that are lighter. Like right in here I have more purple, and then in here it's lighter purple. On camera it looks blue, but in real life it is purple. I do like it though because it kind of gives dimension to the hair, so it's almost like lowlights and highlights. It doesn't really look patchy. It's just, you know, there's darker tones and lighter tones, and then of course you can see the pink underneath, which is right through there. So as I'm walking or moving around, the pink will peekaboo through the purple, and it makes for a really pretty, you know, small little details. So let me see if I can show you the back so you guys can see. Whoops, my blow dryer almost hit the floor. I almost knocked my blow dryer onto the floor. So here is the back. As you can see, the tones of the purple under the pink, under the pink under the purple. I can't talk. So that is it, guys. This is how my hair turned out. Let me know what you think. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. I am Angela.babe on Instagram, and I am YouTube.babe on Twitter and Snapchat. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.